In this video, I will be testing these LED lights I got from Amazon. These are garage lights, but I will be installing them in my kitchen because I think they will provide a very good light. They are rated at 60 watts. So they are of black color, and this is here the standard installation. And you can put them like this if you want, or even like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install them in my kitchen. I'm gonna show you how they light up and if they are good. So I will be installing them now. They just screw on like that. And now they are installed, so let me test them now. And of course now the picture and the camera will be overexposed. Whoa, these light really good.